Hello everyone, so it's me again, Mr. Fox, coming at you. And today I'm going to show you my lovely durian retreat. This is the durian that I've gotten from just one durian. So quite a lot. Absolutely delicious. So me and my mum are going to scoff on this beautiful durian, baby. So happy with it. Oh, I wish you could join me here. I bet you loved it. Lots of love, everyone. So anyway, what else am I going to say? Durian is the king of fruits. It's absolutely delicious. It smells amazing. Be healthy, be happy, enjoy life. We're spiritual beings having a temporary physical journey here. We're learning lessons and expanding and growing and evolving. There's no ultimate right or wrong, but there's definitely liked and disliked and preferred and not preferred. Let's go out there, have a blast, have fun. I love personally exercising and moving my body. I love nofap, as in not like watching porn and ejaculating, because it saves an abundance of energy. I love cold showers. They release apparently the strongest endorphin that the human body can physically produce. Get things done in the morning or after your cold shower. It enlivens you, wakes you up. Oh, get out there in nature, move your body. Let me show you here what's going on in the garden. A lovely little bird doing the gardening, touching the earth, the elements. Have fun, everyone. Lots of love. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave any questions or comments, as excited to do. Thanks. Have a nice day.